Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made these beautiful floral earrings without any tools. I took this small portion of light yellow color clay and roll it like this and dry it to give it a petal shape. For shadow, I used little amount of my eyeshadow palette. It will give the flower a realistic vibe. For this project, I added some roses. If you are new here, I uploaded a full tutorial of how to make a rose. You can check in my description box. For the leaves, I'm using a green color and white color. I mixed it like a cane and create a good leaf. Hope you enjoyed today's small tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on the next one.